CFA, oftentimes I think of it as someone gets a CFA if they want to go on the market side, right? They want to do something at an asset manager, hedge fund, whatnot.
Absolutely.
Business development, I don't often see CFA. Is that incorrect? Do a lot of people in business development on the asset management side have the CFA?
So I would definitely say my previous employer, it's kind of throughout the firm, you can find people who have their charter in any business line.
Yep.
For me, I, as much as I like the business development space, I knew when I was at my previous role that sales was a little too away from the markets, I think, if that makes sense.
It does. Yeah.
And I really wanted to get more on the product or the strategy side, which is really the role that I ended up accepting, was the perfect blend of sales support, helping the actual business development managers, salespeople, but also kind of being the liaison or a nexus point between the portfolio managers and the investment teams to understand the risk profiles, the exposures, geographic, market caps, like essentially the fields in which each fund is playing, and understanding why fund X may not be a good fit, but fund Y actually is a perfect fit.
Right. So just being able to be closer to the strategic, market-oriented side of the business, not just being pure sales.
Exactly.